Now we are back and we try to... What are we doing actually? You got it!
I definitely want you here for the new parts to go in. Well, you know, I have newbies to go in.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Fuck man, it is... You have to come, you have to see it. I'm starting to take the whole front end apart.
Alright.
Will probably take me less than that, but...
It'll take you a long time.
Yeah, it will take me hours, mate. Hours.
Just wait until I'm there, I'll give you a hand lifting everything.
I have Jess here too.
Okay.
She can give me a hand, but I definitely want you here for the new parts to go in.
Yeah. Alright, I'll see you pretty soon, alright?
Alright, cheers mate, see ya.
Alright.
Bye. And you're about to see how much work that actually is.
Camera action!
Kom een beetje meer. Alright guys, we're just showing you the inside, the heart of the mock. We did a few things already. First of all, we done a full service. We replaced all the fluids in it. Engine oil, transmission oil, differential oil, like literally everything. So, and usually the mock has a generator here, like a kind of an old technique alternator, which supplies power for everything. And these are very common to fail. So when we picked up the mock, the first thing what it did, that thing was just overloading. And the belt started squealing on it, like full on, and I was like thinking like, shit, what's happening now? But yeah, quick call to Ben from Mock Central, and yeah, he just suggested just to cut the belt out. They don't need much power, so the battery had enough charge to go home. And I cut the belt of it, so that thing was out of use. So I took that out. That is in the bin now, pretty much. So, and then we bought a replacement alternator kit from Mock Central. They just make these to fit the Unimog. So that is quite a tight squeeze down here, but they machined the bracket for it down here, and that one as well. So you just pretty much straightforward bolts that straight in. Then also we replaced all the belts on it, because they've been pretty worn out. And yeah, they have like 1, 2, 3, 4 belts in total. I think 5 belts. There's another one down here. So yeah, that is pretty much the first thing we did. Plus we replaced a few of the bushes as well, and then more to come in the future. Let's say that. And yeah, today we're going to get rid of that one here. The radiator that one is pretty dirty and pretty beaten up down here. So it doesn't have, it has a few issues with overheating. Oh, it's not an issue really that it overheats, but you can see the temperature rising in it while you drive it, especially when the front is on it. So I'm going to replace that one today. These are usually pretty good radiators because they're made out of copper. So pretty good old technique, but yeah, we have a new one. It's over there. It's still in the box, but you're gonna see it very soon. First of all, we have to take that one out.
Cool.
Good mate, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yes, Finally, fuck man, that is a piece of art.
Yeah, it's a really nice piece, eh?
Yeah, it looks so good. Really, it's amazing.
Good stuff. Glad you're happy.
Yeah, I'm just about to put it in,
Yep.
and I just wanted to talk to you real quick. What is the best way of like doing it? It's just you take the, of course, all the hoses off, and then the fan also off it.
Yeah, so what I do is I pull there's 8mm screws on the bottom that mounts the fan shroud in, and what I do is I pull the whole shroud and radiator out as one unit, and then unbolt the radiator from the shroud, and then put the whole thing back in as a unit, so you can get to all the side bolts and everything down it.
Ah, okay, so you take the fan, everything out of it.
Yeah, so that the whole unit and just pick it up and pull it out, because there's only, you don't take the 10mm bolts out that goes crossways that have the rubber isolators through them. You feel underneath the bottom of the fan shroud, there's like 13mm hex heads underneath there, and they bolt up through the rubber isolator mounts because there's a 90-degree flat on there, and it allows you to get it in and out fairly easily.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Alright, so then you pull the whole unit and then you just screw the fan back together, back to the radiator.
Yep, and just it's the 6mm bolts with the hex heads, and usually just use a nice size flat washer on them.
Yeah.
And then it just bolts right on.
Yeah, cool. Alright. Jess just went to get some more supplies and some stuff. So I'm trying to film that for you. Hope that works. Oh, here it is. These are the parts we've been looking for ages now. Alright, I'll put them in here, that's good. So, we're actually getting a new radiator for the Morg because the old one is pretty beaten up, wasn't cooling that well anymore, but we're gonna get that refurbished and we're gonna sell that. Yeah, for that one is a real piece of art, I have to say. Big shout out to Brown Bear Components, to Justin Stewart and PWR. They made that beautiful piece for us. Right, mate, look at that. Is that cool or is that cool? What a beautiful radiator. And it's made to fit that beast straight away. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to installing that. I'm probably gonna need some 6mm nuts as well. Let's see. Now we have that beautiful radiator here, but I have one issue. That thing looks like shit. Oops, there you go. Pretty rusty and beaten up. Not really beaten up, but it's rusty and corroded. So what I'm probably going to do, I'm going to clean that up, give it a sand and paint it. Alright, we're at Bunnings and we're going to buy some paint for the radiator.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yep, spray up the radiator.
Spray up the radiator, get that nice and shiny. Yeah. Oh, we could get a Sanger. We need a brush.
It's going to drive around.
Yeah, did you? No, you didn't. Fucking $10 for a brush.
Oh yeah?
No, you get that one here. You know, $5 and you get 3. I'm happy with that.
You're gonna brush it.
Or like the rust converter we brush on it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, that looks more like it. Here, rust guard.
Rust guard.
That is the right stuff, right? That's top coat. That is primer.
That stuff's not bad if you're painting onto like rusty surfaces.
Yeah.
That stuff makes the paint stick better.
Ah, okay. Coming back from Bunnings. Yeah. And the bottle shop. Oh, you right with that?
I'll be right with this.
You right with that?
I've sanded everything here.
Where's it hitting now?
It's touching here.
Why is it touching there? Ah, because the other's not anymore.
What are you doing?
We're putting on some rust converter just to give that a little bit of a makeover and
This stuff.
make that nice and shiny for the new radiator.
Sweet. Sounds good.
We had to aim for that. That is just perfect.
We can take this hook out now.
Take it out. That's it. I hooked it, mate.
Fruit? Help yourself.
Thank you.
What about me? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Stay healthy.
Yeah.
That's what we're using.
That's the stuff.
Pot belly black.
Right.
It's just heat resistant paint. A bit more heat resistant than other paints. Not that we need it really, but
Good to have.
good to have. So we just took the fan out as well and completely de-rusted it, took the rust off and primed it and painted again. So it looks kind of brand new now. So now we're just about to put that back in. A few more minutes and then I missed a few spots to paint. So then a few more minutes and then it should be good to go. Let's have a coffee and afterwards we'll put it in.
Have to be quick so it doesn't blow away.
Seatbelt thread?
You just grab
Yeah.
it and then you spin around.
Yeah. how it's hitting that bloody plastic down there. Yeah, let's tighten these bolts and then we fire up. That makes the engine get hot quicker.
Boys on the toys.
You'll never find a jack high enough for the Unimog.
Well, the Unimog usually comes with a jack that is high enough.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.